Good morning, children. So, in today's class, we are going to see the part 3 in immunology lesson. Good morning. Have you ready to observe? So, in the first PPT, we have seen about the immune function. There are two immune system, innate and acquired immunity. We have already studied. In the second PPT, lymphoid organs, where the lymphocytes or cells are found. Now, what are the cells involved in the lymphatic system? We are going to see. So, part 3, cells of the system. So it composed of many interdependent cells. They are worked together and protect the body from infection and growth of tumor cell. Tumor means you already know tumor na katti. So every day hundreds of tumor cells are producing in our body that was destroyed by the immune system. Then all these cells are derived from pluripotent. Pluripotent means commonly derived from only one stem cell. So that stem cell is called hematopoietic. It was found in the bone marrow. They have a capacity to produce RBC, WBC and platelets. So particularly the cells of immune system, they can recognizing and producing an immune response are called lymphocytes. Other WBC play an important role in non-specific immune response, antigen presentation and cytokine production. So non-specific immune response na enna? So தினமும் ஒவ்வொரு நிமிஷமும் ஒவ்வொரு மணி நேரமும் variety of infective agents will enter into our body. These WBCs are protecting that kind of immune response is called non-specific. Antigen presentation, which was not killed by WBCs, they are processing the antigen and brought to the T helper cell with the help of cytokine production. Cytokine is a chemical. Through the chemical signal, the antigen presentation cell and T helper cell interact with one another. Okay. So this chart shows the blood cells, how many number of cells present in the blood and average approximate percentage also given here. You can go through this chart. Red blood cell, white blood cell, two types. A granulocytes. So A granulocytes means absence of granules in their cytoplasm, lymphocytes and monocytes. Granulocytes, three cells, neutrophil, basophil, eosinophils. So this picture shows the cells of the immune system. So already we have studied that pluripotent cell, hematopoietic stem cell. It can be divided into two: lymphoid progenitor, myeloid progenitor. Myeloid progenitor converted into these kind of cells: erythrocyte, thrombocyte, mast cell, myeloblast. And then lymphoid progenitor can produce two types of cell: natural killer cell, that is NK, and small lymphocytes. It can be divided into T lymphocytes and B lymphocyte. Myeloblast can be divided into other WBCs: basophil, neutrophil, eosinophil, monocyte. Then monocytes can be divided into two different types, that is macrophage and dendritic cell. So this chart clearly show the pluripotent hematopoietic stem cell formation. So hematopoiesis, this process is called hematopoiesis. Lymphocytes, 20 to 30% is present. There are two cells, T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. Now only we have seen all are produced from bone marrow. So the B cells stay in the bone marrow until they are mature. Okay, அங்கே produce ஆகுது, அங்கே mature ஆகுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Then it was enter into the blood, lymph node and spleen க்கெல்லாம் போகும். Then T lymphocytes, they produced in bone marrow and leave the bone marrow and mature in the thymus gland and accumulated in lymph node. So a receptor, a chemical receptor was found on the surface of the B cell. With the help of that, it can bound with an antigen and it become activator and produce plasma cells. That plasma cells produce antibodies and some of the plasma cells become memory cell. They are not producing antibodies. So these memory cells are responsible for secondary immune response. Already we have studied. And then lymphocytes, T lymphocytes do not produce antibodies. They recognizing antigen presenting cell. Already I have told in the previous PPT. In the T helper cell தான் antigen presenting cell. Antigen presenting cell எதுவா இருக்கும்னா macrophage, dendrite ரெண்டு செல் பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. அந்த ரெண்டு தான் antigen presenting cell. ஸோ ஒரு innate immunityயால் கில் பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னா அதை ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணிட்டு T helper செல்கிட்ட சைட்டோகைன் மூலமாக அதை வந்து ஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணும். ஸோ B செல்லையும் அந்த T helper cell ஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணும். And T lymphocytes move around the body and destroy cells. And neutrophil and monocytes destroy foreign cells by phagocytosis. So part 3, cells of the So plasma cell produce antibody and some become memory cells. Already we have told they are responsible for immune response, isn't it? And then the T lymphocytes and killer cells, natural killer cells move around the body and destroy. And neutrophil and monocytes and become, they kill the foreign cells by phagocytosis. Monocytes, sometimes the innate immunity fails means monocytes divided into macrophage and dendritic cells. Already we have seen in the picture. Macrophage perform phagocytosis. அப்படியே பிடிச்சி என்ன செய்கிறோம் சாப்பிடும். டென்ட்ரைட்டிக், ஏன் இதை டென்ட்ரைட்டிக் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம்னா it resembles nerve cell. These cells present the antigen to helper cells. So 4 types of dendritic cells நம்ம பாடியில் இருக்கு. They are Langerhans, interstitial cells, myeloid, lymphoid cells. So this picture shows the cells of the immune system. So already we have studied, that pluripotent cell, hematopoietic stem cell. So this is also one kind of blood cell differentiation. Then I will repeat the innate and adaptive immunity. Is it? So innate immunity வியாதி வந்த உடனே ஒர்க் பண்ணும். 5 செல் இதில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுது. சப்போஸ் இந்த இன்னேட் இம்யூனிட்டியால் அந்த ஆன்டிஜனை கில் பண்ண முடியலைன்னா மோனோசைட்டுங்கிற செல்லு மேக்ரோஃபேஜாகவும் டென்ட்ரைட்டிக்காகவும் கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது. இந்த மேக்ரோஃபேஜ் டென்ட்ரைட்டிக்கும் process the antigen foreign body and produce a chemical cytokine மூலமா T helper செல்ல போய் மீட் பண்ணுது lymph nodeல. அந்த T helper cell activate B and T cell. B cell antibodies produce பண்ணும், சிலது memory cell இருக்கும். T cellும் natural killer cellும் டைரக்டா இன்ஃபெக்டிவ் சைட்டுக்கு போய் டைரக்டா ஃபைட் பண்ணும். ஸோ இது adaptive immunity வர days together ஆகும். இது immediate ஒர்க் பண்ணும் innate immunity. So how the antigen was processing, that was given as picture here. So இப்படிதான் antigen அது process பண்ணி கொண்டு போகும். Dendritic cellும் கொண்டு போகும், macrophage கொண்டு போகும். Now clear children?